Now it's way too hot to get into the car with Mochi, so I'm going to show you a little trick that you may not know about your Honda. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how your key fob can roll down your windows, especially if it's an incredibly hot day. And it's incredibly easy to do. See, even Mochi wants to do it for me. Just press the unlock button once, then press it again and hold it until the windows go down. And you don't have to open your windows fully. You can let go of the button anytime to stop it. And if you happen to have a sunroof as well, it will also open. Okay, so say you just happen to change your mind and now you want to roll up your windows. Here's another easy little trick. What you're going to need is the key that's inside your key fob. As you can see, the 2022 model doesn't come with a visible keyhole on the handle. That's because they placed it behind the handle. So to close the windows without starting the car, just place the key in the lock, turn it counterclockwise once, and then turn it counterclockwise again and hold until all the windows close. There you have it, an easy way to open and close all your windows with just your key fob. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Your home garage. All right, Mochi, let's go for a ride.